Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Okay, I've been doing unboxing for the album for other people's album a lot, but I never did the one that from me. Okay, so this is me actually, Dior. My considered like promo mini album on that time. Back in 2012, I guess. Uh, 11 years ago. Okay, so I'm gonna do the unboxing. So I just found this somewhere, and then I thought I lost it. So let's unboxing or just review of it. So this is me in front. Dior Entertainment is my company also, but no more already. It's a Dior mine Dior plus controllers, so it's a Dior plus. And then so it's behind, so this is the track Baby I Need You, the CD. First Baby I Need You, and then Tornada Pergi, Fit Sungjay, and then Mengharap Sina is my first song. Went into semi-final AJL, lagu tahun 2008, on that time, for Ethnic Creative. And then this is Hari Demi Hari, duet with Nur Aniza Idris and also Karen Tan. So let's unboxing. Let's see the inlay. The tracks, and then you see all the songs composed and lyrics by me. And this one is the CD. Okay, so that's it. I guess this is a simple CD mini album that I produced for my promotion that time. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.